Hey, if you want to connect Xiaomi Buds 5 with two devices at the same time, so first of all, you will have to be connected with these earbuds to your first device and to the Xiaomi earbuds application. And when you are connected, you'll have to start scrolling and you will have to move into additional settings. Then go to the dual connection and tap on the switcher to turn it on. And as you can see right now, you actually cannot click here and basically enter and adjust some dual connection like in some other earbuds. So now if you wonder how we can connect them, then basically you will have to input them inside this charging case. There we go. Now you will have to open the case and click and hold this button to enter for the pairing mode. Now when the indicator is blinking, just release. And on your second phone, you will have to just go into the Bluetooth, or if you have the Google Quick Pairing, you can just click on the connect button. You don't have to actually go into this Xiaomi earbuds application. You can connect them without this application. Take a look, now we are connected, and yeah, as you can see, I can go into the details. So I'm going to click and hold here, go to the details, and here I can find this information that I'm connected. Now I will take them out of this. For some reason I've got this notification that they couldn't be connected, but now to your old device, go into this Bluetooth settings, select Xiaomi earbuds, and as you can see right now, we are connected with two phones at the same time, and they are also visible in this phone application. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.